Welcome to Tiainen Engineering and Innovation channel. Today it's again PAKU project day, but this time it has been 2 days. I have designing the front of the car shapes and try to render some nice pictures, and now we are pretty close to the final shapes in the project. So in the front you can see how it looks now. So there are the U-shaped drive lights, which have this U LED ring. I'm still wondering, will I use a full round LEDs or these U LEDs, which are both possible to purchase. Then what I have done most is I have changed the dimensions of these panels, this lower vent hole, the light positioning, and the wedges of corners of the lamps, how they will be installed there. And at the moment we are pretty close to the final shape, so I can now make the next engineering video. What you can see here in the center is a hatch which we can open, and behind that you can fill the windshield washer fluid, and you can put your charging cable here. I'm still wondering, will I put the charging cable behind this hatch in the front, or will I put it here behind the driver on the side of the van? Crash wise, the side would be probably better, but usability wise the front would be better, but then on the front it will gather a lot of dirt easily. So there are pros and cons on both options, so still don't know which it will be, but you need to have this hatch so you can put more washing fluids for the windshield washing system easily. This is usually forgetting, and I believe some people who are starting to build cars realizes this at some point, and then it's usually more difficult to solve the problem unless you think how to fill it before you actually design the bus or car. That's all about what I have done so far. Basically now I have all patterns and colors for each parts. Actually the color of the bus is white, but it also takes reflections in the render mode from the ground, so the color of the bus changes on which direction the sun is coming. Direct front light you get it white, but then the sun also dictates. If you look to sky it's blue, and if you look to the ground it's a little bit grayish. That's it for this time. If you have any comments, let me know. Maybe next I will be able to start building the dash more and get that more ready. But remember, when designing the front of the bus or car, remember to put the windshield washer fluid place where it's easy to use. That will help a lot for the driver. Thanks for watching.